Do you know how to communicate with your sphere or prospects when reaching out or responding? Are you struggling to express your thoughts in a professional and value-based manner when you find yourself in challenging situations? It's time to step out of your comfort zone and into growth. Drastically improve your communication skills and focus on what actually matters to your business through this live workshop. In this class, you'll have the opportunity to practice various real-life scenarios in a safe and supportive environment. Through proper communication, you will build your professional confidence and gain valuable skills that can be applied in every aspect of your life. The time it takes for you to figure these things out for yourself may cost you countless hours and countless clients due to the lack of proper training. Sign up to Steve's Communication Roleplay class today and start building your value and the communication skills needed for you to succeed.